From ActionableOps, here's how to reach Hermes by text message from any phone, even a flip phone, using Twilio. Here's the shape. Twilio bridges regular SMS to Hermes. Someone texts your Twilio number, Twilio posts that message to a webhook on your server, and Hermes texts back through the Twilio API. The catch, and it's the opposite of Slack. SMS needs a public webhook URL, so your server has to be reachable from the internet. Install the extra with pip install hermes-agent, SMS. First, your Twilio credentials. Sign up, open the console, and copy your account, SID, and auth token. Then grab an SMS-capable phone number in full international format with the plus. Those 3 values are what Hermes needs. Configure Hermes. Run Hermes Gateway Setup and pick SMS Twilio, or drop the 3 values into your .env, Twilio account, SID, auth token, and phone number. Add SMS allowed users with the numbers you trust. Now the webhook. In the Twilio console, on your number, set a message comes in to your server's /webhooks/Twilio over post. The listener now binds loopback 127.0.0.1 by default, so a tunnel with Cloudflare or ngrok or a reverse proxy is what exposes it. Then set SMS webhook URL to that same public address because Hermes uses it to verify Twilio signed the request, and it refuses to start without it. Start the gateway and text your number. A couple things are SMS specific. Replies are plain text, since phones show Markdown as literal characters, and anything over 1,600 characters is split across messages at clean breaks. Lock it down. Set SMS allowed users, or the gateway denies everyone by default. And one honest warning, plain SMS is not encrypted, so don't run sensitive work over it. For anything private, use Signal or Telegram instead. That's Hermes over SMS, built by Nous Research, and for more how-tos like this, that's ActionableOps.com.